Okay, hope he's working on her world famous
pizza in the Omnia oven.
Yep, pizza in the Omnia.
Of course, we have the cheater pizza dough, pizza crust. You can get whatever kind you want or make your own. This is just easier for us in a smaller confined area.
Okay.
You can use any kind of sauce you want. You can use your homemade. You can buy Aldi brand. We buy the plastic bottle because we don't want it breaking in the cupboards, either top or bottom. And all I did is spread it around, and it will cook up like pretty thick crust. And I just pour it around.
I got you, baby.
What we have left over, we just put the cap on it and put it back in the oven. Put everything on it, and we put some hard salami, some pepperoni, and some ham. And then I'm going to use some provolone mozzarella blend. And if I need more mozzarella, I'll use some of that. And sometimes I'll throw the cheddar cheese, or the cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack mix. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want.
Sprinkle on part.
And then you can sprinkle on whatever cheeses you want. We've got provolone and Monterey. We've got mozzarella blend. And we got just mozzarella blend. So you can use whatever you want. Sometimes we use the cheddar and the Monterey Jack shredded up mix. And Parmesan cheese, whatever you like. And you can put whatever you want on it. I'm putting hard salami in because it's a thicker meat, and let it cook up and the juices kind of blend in with the sauce. Oop. Okay, what I noticed is if I put the ham slices cut up on top of the cheese, it tends to burn. I like to taste my ham, so I'm just going to cut it up and spread it around. There we go. That's in. Now I'm going to get ready to do the cheese phase. Oh yeah, we forgot to mention, in our previous way at the beginning videos, this is the Omnia oven. It does not come with the silicone sleeve. You have to pay extra to get this sleeve in the middle, right here, this red part. You can use that. You can make cakes, whatever you want, whatever your mind comes up to. We also bought one where we can do biscuits, or we can do cookies or whatever in it. It just inserts. And I believe this one came with the set when we bought the whole Omni. And that's usually what goes between the burner and your Omni oven.
Here you go, baby.
Sorry, I'm gonna eat some of that tomato sauce. Woo. It'll like that. Just spread it around. Down to the nitty-gritty.
Good.
Now it's better. Handle on the lid. All right, now the pepperoni. This is turkey pepperoni. We like it for lots of things even. Kevin makes a lot of little hors d'oeuvres for us during the holidays. He kept us fed. You want more than that, Kev? Nope, that's good then.
Okay, this is the lid. And there's a temperature gauge, that's optional. We'll probably do this at 300, so 12 o'clock straight up and down with a needle. And for storage, we take the black handle off and flip it inside out.
Bubbling brew. It's cooked all the way down. I just lift it out. Gotta let it set a few minutes.
Yep, let it cool down a little
Let it
bit.
cool down a little bit, and then slice it up and serve it up.
Otherwise, it's going to be molten.
Yeah.
Only took about 16 minutes.
Yeah. Once it's up to temp to 300, then you start the timing of it baking, and it says 14 to 16 minutes, and it's not joking.
Looks pretty good, huh? Yippers. Yep, pizza is served in the van. Okay, this is us leaving the park, Grand Canyon National Park. And that campsite we were at was brilliant. You can get showers for $2.50. There was a huge laundry facility there as well. You could do your laundry.
I think about 20 machines.
20 machines plus. There was heated bathrooms with hot water. For $30 a night, I would spend every night there. It was great.
We had some great kids staying next to us, about 8 young men.
Yeah, from California, and they were having a blast.
Yeah.
Great seeing that.
We saved gave them some pizza that we cooked up last night, and some cookies and some charcoal.
Okay, so we're about to exit, so we're gonna keep our eyes open for any critters. I doubt we'll see any, but
I'm ready.
we're ready. Yep, we left the park, had breakfast at Wendy's, and now we are descending. It's like downhill all the way. It's supposed to be critters, at least 25 miles. We'll see.
I'm watching.
Slash reach. That's VA.
Turn right onto the I-40 West ramp.
Brought to you by the United States Department of Veterans Affairs and the Ad Council.
The more you listen to your kids, the closer you'll be.
In
So
a
we
quarter
ask
mile,
kids,
merge onto I-40 West.
parents to hear.
I feel sometimes that I'm not listened to. I would just want you to listen to me more often and evaluate situations with me.
Oh, you got a flag hanging?
You just see it flapping?
Yeah, I was like, wait a minute, what the fuck is that? That wasn't there when we were driving in. There was no flappy flappies.
Continue on I-40 West for 108 miles.
salt bushes you guys are missing in the middle of the road.
Barstow's 153.
Yep, I saw that. Nice. Awesome.
Thousands and thousands of cactus.
Yep.
Or cacti. That's it, guys. I-40 is over. Now it is Interstate 15.
In half a mile, merge onto I-15 South.
Yeah, that's it. That is I-15 to our left. We're about to merge on it, and I-40 is no more. So we did it.
Merge onto I-15 South, then take exit 183.
Be in the second lane from the right, then take the exit California 247.
Gonna get gas up here as well, babe, okay?
Yep.
That's it. I-40 is
Take
done.
exit 183, then turn right onto Barstow Road.
This part of our adventure is over with. And the price of gas is $3.91.
Yikes.
At the light, turn right onto Barstow Road.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Where's the gas station?
There's a mobile right there.
Yeah, I know. That's where we're going to get gas, baby.
In half a mile, turn right onto East Mountain View Street.
What, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. My phone went flying over there all in.
At least your sister got laid.
Yeah, last night.
Head east, then turn left.
Okay, you can hide your waist.
Take the next left toward Barstow Road, then turn left.
Okay, exit.
I'm gonna take her for a walk.